Here's number 5 on our order of operations with rational numbers. I'm going to be giving away how Mrs. K would do it. If you decided to do this with decimals instead of fractions, that is completely fine too, but I'm going to just show you how I do it with fractions. So I see that I have 1/3 minus 1/4 on the numerator and then 1/8 plus 1/6 in the denominator. I remember that this fraction bar here is a grouping symbol, which lets me know that I must first find what my numerator is and then my denominator before I divide. So if I do this, I want to be able to first simplify 1/3 minus 1/4. I cannot subtract those because they do not have a common denominator, so I'm going to create a common denominator of 12, since both 3 and 12 both go into 12. Because 3 and 4 go into 12, sorry. So I have 1/3. If I multiply 3 times 4 to get me 12, I also need to multiply my numerator of 1. And also 1/4 then becomes 3/12. I'm then going to see that both 8 and 6 go into 24. So that's 3/24 and 4/24. So I'm going to now reduce my top. So 4/12 minus 3/12, I have the same denominator, so I just subtract straight across. So I have a leftover of 1/12. And I see that right here I have 3/24 minus 4/24, but I made a boo-boo. So Mrs. K made the boo-boo of I forgot that it was actually addition instead of subtraction, so I need to first correct that error. And now I'll be able to complete my 3/4 plus 4/24. So 3/24 plus 4/24 gives me a total of 7/24. Now I'm going to rewrite that down here so that, oops, there it goes. Let's try this again. I want to rewrite it down here, 1/12 divided by 7/24. So I know that I was able to group my numerator and my denominator of this fraction bar. So I also know that this fraction bar right here is equal to division. So instead of dividing 1/12 by 7/4, I know that instead of dividing fractions, I can also multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1/12 times not 7/24, but 24/7. And I see that 24 and 12, I can reduce those because 12 goes into 24 one time, and 12 goes into 24 two times. So now I'm just going to multiply straight across. So I have my 1 times 2 is equal to 2 in my numerator, and 1 times 7 to give me sevenths. So my final answer for number 5 of order of operations with rational numbers is 2/7.